Alright, good morning everybody. It's Adrian here with I'd Fish That. This morning, it's Friday morning, approximately about 10:15 or so. 67 degrees. We've got a rising tide, topping out at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. High tide. Just got out. So finally, first day after about 3 or 4 days of 20-30 mile an hour winds. That's about how it's been here for the last couple of months. So this morning just got kind of bored, had to get out of the house, so here we are. So I'm in the same area where I had that little dolphin encounter last week. I was right over here. I don't see any dolphins out this morning. Never know. So tomorrow's Friday, and should be some really good weather, so I think the wife's taking the day off so we can come out here and enjoy a nice day before it gets crazy again. We get about 2 or 3 days of decent weather, and then it goes right back to blowing in the 20s. Now I could still probably go on, I could still go on the Atlantic side because the wind's coming from this side and fish, but honestly, it's like a lot of work to get the kayak out and all that. But we'll see. Right now I'm just seeing if anything's gonna hit. Put out this Mirror, I think it's an M17 or something like that. It's just a suspending twitch bait. See if there's anything out there. Don't have the Garmin with me today, so I know we're only in about 3-4 feet of water maybe. So this is perfect for that because we won't ever get down there. Deep enough to get caught up on grass. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, we're in about 3-4 feet of water. Okay, so I think the plan this morning, I'm just gonna head out that way, see if I can't land on something. No real plan or agenda this morning, just. Alright guys, I'll be back in a few. You guys have probably seen this before in my videos. This is kind of a tarpon spot from time to time. Now what they do is they just basically patrol the whole tree line here for the these mangrove tree lines. They're just going to patrol back and forth. Now typically I see them over there. That's where I've hooked onto some big tarpons. I've never landed one, but that's where I got my Goliaths, over there. Well, this is like Cuda heaven right now. I'm throwing out that silver mirror. I think it's like great because it's very unassuming, non-threatening. It looks just like a little shadfish. A lot of stuff goes after it. I just have a little 1/8 ounce jig head on there. Get down low because I can see there's a decent sized barracuda here off to my right. Well, once they see you hovering up above, they start to freak out a little bit. See all the parrotfish over there? It's parrotfish, barracuda. Okay. I'm not really seeing anything here. I really don't want to catch barracuda. Really? Because if I picture it, it will happen. What's going on here? I was promised, the secret promised me that if I just visualize stuff, it'll happen. Dang it, TV lied to me. Come on now. See a lot of glass minnows. Watching the world pass me by. I don't wanna come down. I don't wanna put my foot down on the ground. Bounce, bounce, bounce. It is not happening. What the hell? Man. Nope, not a damn thing happening here. This is kind of crazy because I usually get something here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to the tarpon spot or somewhere else out here because it sucks. I'm not getting any bites out here. Maybe go out here where it's a little deeper. Try something different. Alright, looks like we got something on here. I don't know what it is. Heck. It's a really big, is that a puffer fish? Get over here. Let's take a look at this guy. I think he's a big puffer fish. Pretty, huh? A really cool looking fish. Barely got him, right in the lip. Need to get me some. Come on now. Alright, later, dude. Ooh. Got something here? What was that? Went underneath a rock or something. I think we're onto something, guys. Oh, look at that. What is that? Wow, that's cool. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I think it's the grouper. Pretty sure this is the grouper of some sort. Alright, that's pretty freaking cool, guys. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's a type of grouper. I'm just not exactly sure. So, that is so cool. Awesome. Now let's stay in the zone here. Alright guys, that's pretty nice, huh? Like that. That's probably about 12 inches long. So this place is called a Jewfish hole, which Jewfish is a basically a grouper, and that's what this area is called. And I've gone through here a few times trying to catch a fish and haven't landed anything. But here's the thing is, he hit it, then he went straight down and probably got caught up underneath a rock or something. So I had to like get him out of there. So good deal. Ooh, what the hell? Whoa. Yeah, caught on the way up. Oh, one of those. Oh, what do they call these again? It's a big one. Get out of here, buddy. He hit it on the way up. I was almost up on the boat. What time is it? So about 12:30ish, 12:45. I'll go ahead and call it a day, or at least an afternoon. Head in. Alright, I'm on. Ooh, nice little mutton snapper. Nice. How big do these have to be?
Yeah, how long is he?
11.
He's good?
He's good? Alright, we've got an 11-inch mutton snapper on the board. Right over there. Nice little deep. Mutton!
No, fucking 18, dude.
Has to be 18?
Yeah.
Oh crap. Alright, I better send him back in. Alright, I guess he's way too small. Get back in there. There he is, he's good. Maybe we need a little different profile, something that's going to give him more. A little more pop, I don't know. What do we got? Got this bad boy. Let's try this thing, huh? is this? Get out of the zone here. Alright, buddy, calm down. Alright, so this is a mackerel of some kind. I'm not exactly sure what, though. Zero mackerel, or I don't think it's a Spanish mackerel. It's a zero, isn't it?
Does it have spots?
Well, it has a line and spots on both sides of that line. It's small, but
Yeah, that's cool.
that's cool looking.
Throw it back.
We'll look it up. Check it out, guys. Wow, he mad. And he's got a cool spot. Look at his top fin is black and white.
Yeah.
All right, buddy, in you go.
Trying to back up so I could go that way, but now you're in my way.
All right. There we go. We got something. Probably a barracuda. Yeah, it's a cuda. There we go. Get the de-hooker. Get him off of here. Yeah, nice little cuda. Pretty good looking guy. Angry little fish. Hey, good morning everybody, it's Adrian here with I'd Fish That, and today we're back out at a place called Jewfish Hole here in Long Key. This is the prior spot I had come out. I caught a small grouper, and I know this place is hiding more fish. I just haven't been able to find them yet. I'm in an area that's approximately about 10 feet deep, but this is a deep canal where boats run through. So I don't expect too many boats out here this morning because of the, not like super windy or anything, but it is the weekday. So I don't expect as much traffic today. But we'll see about that. I went by the marina and picked up some of these little, kind of like ghost minnows, ghost shad. They're yellow, they're a little bit tougher to stay on the hook. I guess if I have any target species today, it's just going to base, any kind of snapper. Don't really have a target species today, guy. I'm just kind of having fun. So, I set up my Fierce 4 rod setup here. Nothing crazy. Got size 2 bait hooks here. Although they don't have the barbs. I was trying to find the ones with the barbs, but I wanted these long shank hooks because these tend to not get buried in their gullet so much. Some of these smaller fish, but it's a lot rougher than I was expecting out here, guys. Still got my Bixby turned on, so I'm back out of that cone area. There's 2 cones here, probably about 50 feet between both or so, and we're in a deep trough here that drops off from, I'd say anywhere from probably 2 or 3 feet depending on the tide on the flat on each side, up to 10.5 feet here. So we're gonna bottom fish. I got a split shot on there, nothing fancy. We're in 8.5 feet of water right now, but wind's heading straight from this direction. I think from the northeast, as it has been now for days. Just gotta kind of keep your head on the swivel out here. Boats will sneak up on you before you know it. It's a little rocky today, guys. Oh, I think we're on. Oh, what the heck is that? I don't know what that is. Some kind of little, it's a grunt. It's a tiny little grunt. Holy crap. Seriously? That's how I'm starting out my morning? Yeah. Oh, wow. It's kind of cute. Should put it down there for some bait. Alright, get out of here, dude. Hey, jeez, so freaking rocky out here. This is going to be interesting. I might have to head in because this, you guys can see here, it's not crazy, but it's definitely going to make it a little bit of a challenge. Actually got a little bit of white capping today. Not everywhere. It just seems only in like certain areas where probably has to do more with the geography and whatnot, but there's something on there. Alright, we're on. We're on. Woohoo! What do we got? What do we got? It's pulling a little bit. Oh man, it's got some good little. Where is he? Oh, really? These are good sized lizard fish. Ah. Hang up on that. Okay, there we go. Alright guys. I hate to say the term garbage fish, but this is garbage fish. This is a lizard fish. Sit on the bottom. They're fairly aggressive. What I'm looking for. This guy off the our line. Well, that's a pretty good size one though. He's probably about 9-10 inches. Okay. We're hooking fish, just the wrong species. Over here stepping on my bait. Still in a good spot. For whatever reason, it's not. I'm kind of bobbing in place. So just need to find out where the right fish are. I'm seeing a lot of bait. It looks like bait fish stacked up between 5 and 10 feet. But the fish that I'm looking for are more on the bottom. I'm looking for that grouper, hopefully. And probably should maybe be some larger mangrove snappers down there too. Some kind of airplanes fly right over this area all the time, the Coast Guard. And sometimes you see some weird. So it was some while back, maybe 2 or 3 months ago. I was at one of the bridges, and all of a sudden we hear this like, ooh, it's like, run. Anyways, we saw a seaplane land. It was pretty cool. Let's see what we got on our end of our line here, guys. Oh, damn grunt. It's just a bigger grunt. You guys seen these before? It's called blue stripe grunts. They got the little, really pretty mouths. It's really peachy orange, like a tangerine almost. Now, you can't eat these, but it's not what I'm down here for. Alright, guy. Get up there now. There he goes. Come on. Come on, I'm trying to give it a good shot here. Okay, I see fish right underneath me, right at the bottom. There are fish at the bottom here. Should be getting on these guys here any minute now. Yep, there it is. Oh, what are they? Okay, this one's a little different. Not sure what this is. Yeah, I'm not sure. I can't say what that is, guys. It's got some little teeth on there. Very colorful. He's got greens and browns, a few different shades of browns. It's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen this kind of fish before. Hey guys, so here's the deal. It's Monday afternoon. It's about 5:30 in the evening. Sun's about to go down. I'm just kind of drifting back, letting the current take me home. I came out hoping to do some bottom jigging, and ran out of the house quickly, forgot 2 tackle boxes and all my weights. So I didn't really come prepared. So it's my last week here. I'm gonna go out a couple more days and get as much footage as I can, and then afterwards I'm heading up towards Fort Myers area. Actually, right, Fort Myers, exactly. I'm gonna be there for a couple of months and fiddle around there. Hopefully get a bunch more footage. I hope to fish like the Matlashin Indian Pass. I haven't been to any of those places. Alright guys, float my way back home and call it a night. Alright, peace out, see y'all later. I haven't found any snook here, even though this seems like a great place for them. Let's see, there's one buried up underneath all that grass. Oh, I saw a little fish come out there. There's a whole school of fish down there. I just don't know what kind of fish they are. Ooh, ooh, nice. Oh. Snap, look at that, guys. Oh, that is a nice little snapper. I'm sure that's a keeper. Let me get turned around over there. Apparently they're stacked up right there. Yeah, look at that. Here real quick. Boom. Yep, he's 10-incher. Keeping him. All right, come on, give me another, give me a keeper, give me a keeper, I need a keeper. Ah, I don't think this. No. Too small. Oh, too small. Darn it. Oh yes, this is a nice one. Yoo-hoo. I'm pretty sure he's 10. Doop, doop, doop. Oh yep, 10.5. I'm keeping him because I need to stock my fridge. Alright, where's my knife? Oh, there it is. Alright guys, I'm going to process him and we'll be done. Be back in a minute, guys. See parrotfish. I don't know. Mangroves are a little kind of hiding out. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at all those parrotfish. Aren't they so cool? Try there. What the hell? And I swear, sometimes, oh, here we go. Here we go. I don't know how the hell this happens. Jeez. Oh, shit. I just went over all these tree branches. Dang it. Something over there. Down in there, flopping around, making some noise. Okay. Oh, snap, 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 guys. That's a tarpon. All those right there are tarpon. Whoa. Man, they are just stacked up in here. Holy shit, dudes. See those guys? Look at those. Big old tarpon. There's more. They're all up in there. Wow, look at that, guys. He's just checking me out. I need to get out of here and then cast back into them because they're just going to go around me. I need to go around them, not spook them. They're not spooked right now. They're curious. But they're not spooked. Problem is, I don't think I can get close enough up in there. They're way in there. Let's see. Probably just end up scaring them away, but turn my rudder that way and pedal forward. Get up here as far as I can, huh? Let's see. It's kind of a big lure. It's gonna scare the shit out of them. Oh, it didn't. Oh, he's looking at it, guys. You see him? See him? He's looking at it. There's a couple of good-sized freaking snappers down there. There they are. There's some good ones right there. That's a good 10, 11 incher right there. Look at that. See, there's a good-sized ones right there. What the hell? Those tarpon aren't that scared of it. You might go after it. Oh crap! Man, you got, oh snap! Whoa! You guys see all this? I think he's still on. Oh man! Come on, you got to get out of there. Oh, he's wrapped up in a cord. All right. I got to get off. Oh, insanity. I knew something crazy like this was going to happen. He's probably going to come off. He's kind of wrapped up around the branch. Yeah, I think he already came off. I just saw him swimming, I think. I don't see him here. Dang. That was so freaking cool. I don't know how many times has this happened already. The snook in here, I mean the tarpon in here know exactly what to do. They go right for the trees. That was pretty freaking cool though. Oh, wow. All right. Like a barracuda. Wear him out a little bit. That was cool. They had a little fight in them. Got a little gust of wind blowing there. Trying to push me around. All right, buddy. Get you up in here. Oh, he's a good sized one. He's a decent one. Alright, calm down. Oh yeah, he's a good sized one, guys. He's actually probably the biggest one I've got. Yeah. This would be my PB barracuda. Let's measure him real quick. Alright guys, he is, come on now. Oh, hold still, dude, hold still. He is 17 at the split. Well, hold on. About 17 and a half at the split and 19 at the tail. There we go, guys. Alright, let's go. There he is. He's off. I went right behind my boat. Oh, stinky fish. Stinky fish. Slimy, slimy. Alright. Alright, guys. like 17, 18 inch barracuda. Caught that on this the Azuri suspending. It's like a slow sinking actually twitch bait. If you can look at it, it's had quite a few strikes on it. That tarpon just hit it. It's definitely been beat up, but it works. Alright guys, so I tried fishing my way back home. Unfortunately nothing came up, but this is pretty much going to conclude my series here in the Florida Keys. Unfortunately the weather just didn't really work out. It got really crazy after the hurricanes and it made fishing difficult, but otherwise I had a good time. I hope to come back hopefully in the early summer, and we'll see how it goes. But anyways, I'm heading up to Fort Myers now, and we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.